One last thing I want to say about consecutive practice and how you can use tech tools for consecutive practice. And that is to work on your delivery, because consecutive isn't just about the symbols that you're using, and it isn't just about the notes. It's also about your rendition. And rendition is something that maybe gets overlooked when we're doing consecutive. Here's my tip for you. Record yourself. Sit or stand, as is my case today, in front of your webcam and record as you are delivering a consecutive rendition. Then go back through your video and analyze it to see how it went. And if you pair it up the right way, you can even record your notes and your video at the same time. There are built-in tools for this, or free options. QuickTime is available for your Mac, and VLC is a free tool for Windows that you can use for this. But quite honestly, the easiest way to do this is to simply start a Zoom meeting with yourself. So Zoom meeting, nobody else, just you in the room. You click the record button and you deliver the speech, and then you consider how it went. And if you want to see your notes in real time as you're writing them, you can do just what I did here. You just connect your tablet to your computer with a cable, and you share it using the Zoom sharing options. So you're having a little Zoom meeting with yourself, and you actually have captured your entire work, both your notes and your rendition, at the same time.